What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, we are checking out the BTC US dollar pair here on the 15-minute chart. Remember, I talked about this descending wedge. We are still going to the upside, and it looks like that we formed a double bottom pattern here. We broke the neckline. Are we going to come all the way up here and meet the target? We'll be discussing this in today's episode. Also, the Ethereum US dollar pair also looking here like forming a double bottom pattern. Will we break the neckline and come all the way up here and retest the support area from this symmetrical triangle, or are we forming a bull flag right over here and we're going to come back down here and retest these levels? We'll be checking this out in today's episode. And if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code that you need to put right here, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $1,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. Make sure to check it out. You can trade up to 50 different assets using Bitcoin as collateral. We'll be checking out Tesla now officially accepting Bitcoin. Elon Musk says BTC will be not converted to cash, and Microsoft Xbox is considering adding Bitcoin as one of the main payment methods, guys. Let's go straight into the content, but before, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. All right, guys, if you saw yesterday's episode, I was talking about this blue horizontal line here at the $53,500 levels. We did get a nice bounce, as you can see. Also, it's shown on the VPVR, there is a huge gap in between the $53,500 levels and the $51,500 area. So if we break this level with a decent amount of volume, it is very, very likely that we are going to come down to this green box area at the $51,500 area, as I showed you on yesterday's episode. And also here, as you can see, we did mention this descending wedge pattern. Okay, I did get these two lower highs together and these lower lows together, and this had a descending wedge formation, which is very bullish. We broke to the upside, and the target here is the top of the wedge, which would be around this area at the $57,350. But now it looks like that we formed a double bottom pattern, as you can see here. We retested the bottom here, the blue horizontal line, and we also retested it again, and we came back up. We created a neckline here, as you can see in the middle. We had a consolidation phase also over here, and we can see it was support area in the past. So it is clear a double bottom. We have broken their neckline. So now from here, the measured move would be getting the bottom here of the double bottom and up to the top to the neckline. And from the breakout, this could take us all the way up to the $58,000 levels, maybe about the $57,900 to take some profits. We'll be retesting also, depending on where we're going to arrive there in between today and tomorrow, retesting the support area. If I go to the 1 hourly chart of this symmetrical triangle, as you can see here on the chart. So if we come all the way up here, we'll be retesting this support, potentially bouncing back down, guys. But if we break these levels to the upside, this is incredibly bullish. As you can see, we have this downtrend right here. Right, so if we do retest the $58,000 area and manage to break this downtrend to the upside, this is going to be incredibly bullish. We'll be updating on this on the next episode. Let's look at the bearish scenario though. If this breakout is a fake out and we come all the way back down and retest the support area again and break to the downside, guys, I am going to be very bearish. This is going to take us all the way down potentially to the $51,650 range, because I showed you on the VPVR here that there is a huge gap here of no volume, as you can see here on the chart. Let me just show you on the 1 hourly. We can see the huge gap that there is from my blue horizontal line. As you can see, the VPVR, suddenly the volume disappears. So here we have a huge fall in volume, and then the volume comes back up again. So we could retest, the top here of this VPVR where most volume is around the $51,500 area. And here's where the most volume is. And suddenly here, there's no volume at all. So if we break this horizontal line to the downside will be coming back down and retesting $51,500 area, guys. But I'm going to remain bullish, guys. Look at this pattern right here. It does look like that we formed a nice double bottom. Let's go on the 15-minute chart. This is a clear breakout, in my opinion. The measured move would be almost the $58,000 range we could arrive in the next few hours. So this is what I'm expecting. We could potentially come back down, retest, and then come back up. And if we break the high, this is a clear movement to the upside. So let's go and check out the Ethereum US dollar pair. On the 1 hourly chart, we can clearly see that this symmetrical triangle was broken to the downside. We did mention this yesterday, and also the measured move would be coming all the way down to the $1,530 areas from the breakout. It looks like that we are getting good support here from the $1,650 range. As you can see, it has been major support and resistance in the past. I showed you yesterday. I'll show you again if you are new to the channel. We can see this huge resistance area, resistance right there. We managed to break to the upside here, and it was heavy support. So now we're coming back down, and we have created a double bottom, as you can see here on the chart. So let me just show you also, if we do break to the upside, this double bottom pattern, as you can see there, the measured move, if we break this neckline, which is heavy resistance also, we've created a point of touch there, and in the past also it was heavy support area. So if we do break out to the upside, the measured move also from this bottom support area of the double bottom to the resistance area from the breakout, this would potentially take us just below the $1,800 area, retesting the support of this symmetrical triangle, guys. So this is what I'm expecting for the Ethereum US dollar pair. If we break to the upside, coming almost all the way up to the $1,800 area, retesting the support of this symmetrical triangle. But the bearish case scenario here, we might be forming a bear flag here. As you can see, this could also be a bear flag. If we do not break this resistance area, we could be potentially forming a bear flag here. And if we break to the downside, this could take us, if we take this as a measured move from the pole into the bear flag, from the breakout, this could take us all the way down to the $1,550 range, guys. I did have this green horizontal box area because it was major resistance, and we might convert it into support, which is at the $1,600 area. In the past, we can see it has been major resistance, so we should get a stop right there. As you can see, there's a point touch there, but there's a couple of touches, and also over here. It looks like that we did break out here, but we came straight back down, and now we are retesting as resistance. So this will be a point of touch here when we come back down. This is what I've got for you guys for the Ethereum US dollar pair here in the short term. Let's take a look at this amazing news. Tesla now officially accepting Bitcoin. Elon Musk says BTC will not be converted to cash. Tesla's following through on its promise to accept Bitcoin. Elon Musk just made the official announcement on Twitter. He says the company will hold on to accumulate all BTC earned from sales of the company suite of electric cars. Here you can see on his Twitter account just saying on the 24th of March, which is today, you can now buy Tesla with Bitcoin. Tesla is using only internal and open source software and operates Bitcoin nodes directly. Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin, not converted to fiat currency. Pay by Bitcoin capability available outside US later this year. Tesla first disclosed its plans to accept Bitcoin back in February in a SEC filing that also revealed the company has purchased $1.5 billion in BTC. Bitcoin's price was approximately $44,000 at the time Tesla's investment in the top cryptocurrency was made public. I am planning maybe in the near future to buy a Tesla with Bitcoin, guys. Absolutely incredible news for mass adoption. Let's take a look at this news over here. Microsoft Xbox is considering adding Bitcoin as one of the main payment methods. Owners of Xbox game console could take part in a survey on whether they want Bitcoin to be one of the payment methods in the online store. The world-renowned multinational technology company Microsoft also seems to be showing interest in Bitcoin, which conducted a customer survey for its Xbox division about the possible edition of Bitcoin as a payment method. And here you can see on the online store for the Xbox the option of debit card, and then the third option, pay with Bitcoin, guys. Incredible. As you can see in the photo, the third question was, which of these other payment methods would you like to use on Xbox? And one option was Bitcoin. The survey immediately sparked a heated debate, but it is no wonder because last statistics say that Microsoft online gaming servers has nearly 90 million active users per month. Incredible, guys. Mass adoption. We can see Tesla accepting Bitcoin, Microsoft also on Xbox. Incredible, guys. This is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't seen the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out, guys. We have great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely. And we've got the latest news and technical analysis. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of the website, guys. And if you haven't seen my Bybit tutorial, make sure to check it out. A video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.